Let's talk about new studies showing that lack of sleep is totally linked to depression, cancer, diabetes, heart disease, almost all diseases. And this is really important, and find out what you can do to sleep better. Check this out.
Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist, Get Healthy Now.
Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. Well, today I want to talk about the fact that, lack of sleep is directly connected to disease. There's no doubt about it. Heart disease, diabetes, all kinds of things, cancer, on, and depression and more. And check this out. If you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. Please tell other people. Please subscribe. If you guys haven't been subscribing, I appreciate. I want to get my numbers up there to 100,000 in 2023, and I appreciate you kicking me up there. And tell other people. I really appreciate that. And we can make people healthy for sure. Also, get a copy of my new book, Live a Cancer-Free Life. And just Google the title, Live a Cancer-Free Life, and it will come up. You can buy it as a Kindle version anywhere in the world, or a paperback copy like this. And, we just added another 10 million people to the cancer rolls in the United States, and it's not good. 4 out of 5 people coming down with cancer. Look around the room. Most of them are going to come down with cancer. This is a simple read of things that you can do to really lower your chances of coming down with cancer in a big way. You deserve it for yourself. Working with people, I ask, how do you sleep? And the majority, I have to say, 9 out of 10 say terrible. When they say great, I'm go, hallelujah. It's not very often I find that people sleep well. I sleep like a baby. Sometimes I only turn over once in the night. I'm telling you, it's really important to have good sleep. There's a ton of scientific, studies done showing that lack of sleep lowers your immune system, increases inflammation, also starts cancer and makes tumors grow. On and on and on. If you increase inflammation, that is the first step towards disease, and you end up with high blood pressure, and also you end up with heart disease and diabetes. Your blood sugar goes up more and more and more. And then there's this controversy over what comes first. The cancer comes first and then depression, or whether depression comes first and then the cancer. It's hard to tell, but I'm telling you, lack of sleep will cause depression, and somewhere along that line, cancer will come in also. Well, what can you do to sleep better? First of all, meditation, really great. Studies show that meditation calms the mind, and most people have a mind running amok like crazy, especially these days, worrying about the future, thinking about the past, and we need to be present now. It's a very simple process. I have a video about 2 simple ways to meditate, which is really great. Also, stop watching TV, a couple hours before you go to bed. That will help in a great way, because, any of these screens, if you're looking at your phone or if you're looking at your computer, looking at that TV, they all excite the mind and don't allow you to sleep well. Also, you need to have a dark room so you can sleep. Also, a comfortable bed, which is very important. Also, have to get rid of the noise, because if you have noise all night long, you will not sleep, that's for sure. And it has to be a little bit lower in ambient temperature than in your room than you have outside. Most people, I sleep around 72 degrees with the air conditioner going on silent mode, and it really does a great job. I can sleep well. Also, taking a little bit of, valerian root will help you to sleep. It works for a lot of people. These are like 500 milligram capsules, and taking anywhere from 1, 2, maybe even 3 before bed will actually help you to get to sleep and stay asleep. It really works great. And trade off with other things also. Also, passion flower in the 400 up to 800 milligrams also does a great job. taking that before bed, that'll help you to get to sleep and stay asleep also. Passion flower in capsules. Another one is blue vervain. I find this very good for sleep and also helps with pain. So if you are staying awake because you have pain, well, you need to maybe take some of this. And this, I think, is 500 milligram capsules. 1 or 2 at bedtime really does a great job. And switch off on these, one of these sleep aids 1 week and then take another one, because if you take them for a long period of time, I find they don't work after a while. Also, exercise is very important so that you're sleepy when you go to bed. I walk 8.5 to 10 miles every day, and when I hit the sheets, I'm out, and I don't feel like waking up at all. I'm tired, and that's important. Also, reading a book before you go to bed will also help you to sleep better. The printed pages are amazing, and keep it something uplifting. That's important also. Also, if you're watching some movie on TV, it's a horror program or, some kind of intense drama or something like that, you think you're going to sleep? I kind of doubt it. Really watch things that are uplifting and calming and peaceful, and that will make a difference also. Also, on Netflix, they have a section called Headspace, some videos by Headspace, and one of them is about sleep, and that will help you to calm down. Something that you can use. It's very relaxing. You close your eyes. You're not really watching the screen. You're actually listening to it, and it's very soothing and relaxing also. And for some people, white noise machines work really well. Also, some of these machines that make, ambient sounds like trickling streams and crashing waves and things like that also work very well for people to sleep. Also using like the Muse 2, it's a meditation device. It's actually a biofeedback. Doing that before bed will help you to sleep also. MUSE 2. And it's just a little band you wear around your head, and it gives you ambient sounds and tells you when you're in the meditation zone, which is really great. I highly recommend. There's also the Mind Alive David Delight Pro or Plus. It has goggles with flashing lights and earphones for binaural beats. I'm telling you, if you use that with the goggles with the blue shades on the inside, it'll make you sleep for sure. Really great. Not cheap. It's about $500-$600. You can get them used on eBay. I've seen them for as little as $200. But that one really, really, really works great. And you need to have a routine to your life. If you're, running chaotically around all the time, do you think your mind's going to settle, be able to sleep? Absolutely not. And you have to get home. And I think it's really important to connect with family and have some downtime. Downtime is necessary. And without that downtime, you don't sleep. Well, there are many ways to sleep better, and I could go on for about 2 hours here, really, on and on and on. But you can sleep better and prevent all these diseases from happening, and you will live longer, I guarantee it. If you have some kind of disease process going on, give me a call at 831-869-9119, 831-869-9119, and we can get you on the road of healing and getting rid of inflammation, getting rid of diabetes, getting rid of whatever disease process you have going on, and moving towards being extremely healthy like me. And I'm going to be 70 this next birthday. I don't look at, a lot of people think I look in my 50s, and I feel 20, really. And you can too. 831-869-9119. And remember God, remember I love you. And even in the Bible it says, be still and you shall know my name. We're talking about meditation here, about calming the mind, contemplation, whatever you want to call it. It's actually talked about over and over and over again in just about every process of spirituality in the world. And so having downtime and contemplating on life, I think is very, very, very important. So remember God, and remember, I love you.